podcast and then you can swear and one and one mahunguni. Yo, last night we had Makhadzi updating about Ghanama by the track. It's the hit song that everybody have been talking about and people are expecting already. Okay, the final song is gonna be a hit. The final song is gonna be something else. Turn South Africa upside down. This year it's gonna be a song of the year. But to our surprise, we all know Uri, Owambi or on a beef, Makhadzi, Monada and all that. But we know Monada was signed by Open Mic back then and all that, things that went down. So Makhadzi dropped the Ghanama. And let's be honest, guys, the song is completely different. And then some people were like, why are you saying it sounds different? This is when I was responding on Twitter and Facebook, and yeah, mostly on the WhatsApp. Because people like to ask, Faith, what do you think about this song? What do you think about that song? So I try to give my honest opinion. Sometimes I get in trouble. But with this one, what I picked up in Zori first, they went and remake the beat. They remake the beat, and the beat does not sound 100% like that one. It's a bit delayed and a bit slow. I don't know what when you put this beat kind of stuff, set up everything. It's a bit slow, and the energy on the song when Makhadzi recorded the verse. Because remember, if you listen to the first one, you'll feel the hype, you'll feel the vibe, you'll feel the chemistry. But on this one, you can tell that this song was recorded just to prove a point. Like the record label maybe told you, hey, yo, record the song, remake the beat, do that. Because it's completely something else. It doesn't sound anything like the original one. Nothing sounds 100% like the first one. Because you can tell that this is the beat was remade, the song was re-recorded. So to me, like I know most people they'll be swearing and telling me, yeah, whatever they're gonna tell me, because we know the issue with being a die-hard fan. You try and convince yourself to believe that something is right even when it's not right, because some people really love the artist to a point that they don't care what happens. But let's be honest, the song Makhadzi featuring Prince Benza, this Ghanama, nah. She Ghanama here. Like, completely, come on. I've been a fan of Makhadzi, I don't know how many years, man. For way too long. I'm also one of the people that used to release some of her songs, like drop them on my website, blog, interview her, like for many years. I'm talking about long before the fame, like so long. Directly and indirectly worked with her, but on this one, my sister, I really love you. I really love your music. I love your work ethics. I love how you do things. But this stance that she's pulling, I'm not happy with them anymore, man. This one, nah. This stance didn't really go well. This one, she pulled it in the wrong way. I know she's no longer independent like she used to be. Before she fall out Narita. But this time the record label, I don't think they took her right road. So I don't know what you guys think about the song, but yeah, you can drop your honest opinion on the comment, guys. Because this song, the beat was remade, the verse were re-recorded, doesn't sound like the same way that it was recorded, and it lacks that chemistry that we know that. On that song, the Ghanama, the first one, beside the verse of Monada, even Makhadzi had that energy that we know. Like this one, I feel like it sounds like she was forced to record this verse. Like she didn't pour the heart out. Like it lacks. I'm not even gonna go to Prince Benza, man. I'm not gonna go there. Let's just leave the Prince Benza there, sitting there. Because honestly. Maybe though something will come up, So yeah, I'm gonna drop another video. I'm gonna try to look at a couple of stuff, you know. But yeah, she also lied to us. So let me not say this thing of lying to us. Let me cut this video short that doesn't get to be too long, and then I'm gonna drop another one. Try to look at, like, yeah, they stand, and they respond from, yeah, the social media and all this. I'm gonna look at it now. So guys, yeah, I'm not feeling the Ghanama. Like, you can keep that Ghanama song, guys. Not for me. I'm gonna play the radio version that I have, the first one that was released to radios with Monada. Yeah, the same one that you heard, Kaparapara. That's the one I'm gonna play, and yeah, the video one. Yeah, let's leave it like that. Guys, please put your honest opinion. I'm not happy with the song. I don't know about you. This is the Higher Table Podcast on Venrap Radio, powered by Nema Media and Tshivenda Music and Entertainment. We do it like this. But it will do the videos that you want us to look at, and we will definitely do. Website kids, get the music you want there for free. Because remember, when artists drop music and they feel like somebody's want to sell and also let it be out for free, whatever they want to do, most of them they upload it on our website. Now, I'm out of here. For comment, like, and share. Even you can hit us on WhatsApp 0826937 But I don't send music on WhatsApp, guys. I don't. Don't ask me for music from other artists or any other artists. I'm not gonna send it. I'm out of here.